YouTube is the one of the best way to earn money. Every day millions of people watching video on this platform, and every day thousands of people earn by uploading video, and you can do it too. YouTube is a fantastic opportunity for earn money. There are different types of channel, you just need to choose which is better for you and start a channel. In this video I show you 5 YouTube cash cow channels ideas. Hi guys, this is Marmoney. In my channel I show you video about how to make money online. There are different methods where you can make your first money online. Every week I upload videos for show you different methods. If you like my channel, subscribe on my channel and make sure to click the like button. And if you want, active the notification bell for receive notify every time I upload a video. In this video we show you 5 cash cow channel ideas. So cash cow channels are channel where you don't have to show your face, so you can insert images and voiceover and music, and you can monetize your video, and you don't have to show your face. You can hire people for create the content for your channel. So in this video I show you 5 YouTube cash cow ideas. So go on the first one. The first one is top 10 famous. This channel has almost 2,500,000 subscribers. So as you can see, these are the most popular videos on this channel, and some of these made more than 30 million views. 30 million, 25 million, 23 millions, 22 millions, 20 millions. As you can see how much viral are those videos. So this channel upload videos of different film or TV series, and we can see how the actor and actress grow up. As you can see, 30 superheroes then and now, Avengers, Infinity War actors in real life, funny comics and how the superhero children might look, Fast and Furious cast then and now, Avengers real life couple, Harry Potter cast then and now, Ariana Grande from 0 to 24 years old, etc. And these type of videos are so easy to make. As you can see, it's a simple video, and the creator of these videos don't show his face, so you can upload the videos and images and you don't have to show your face. You need to insert just a stock images videos. You can insert stock image or videos, and you need to talk, you need to create a voiceover, because if you want to start earning monies you need to create original content, so you have to insert your own voice in order to enter into partner program. Now let's see on Social Blade some stats, and we can see how much this channel made in a month. As you can see, this channel made in this month 20,000 subscribers and over than 14 million views. If the RPM of this channel is 3, this channel made around $40,000 in a month. And this channel is so simple to make. You need to search photo of actors and do simple editing videos, and do a simple editing and insert your voiceover with a music, and you can upload the video, and this type of video are so viral. This channel has 2 million subscribers and made almost $40,000 per month by uploading simple videos. So let's go to the second one. The second one is called Meshed. This channel is in a food niche. This channel upload videos about food. So as you can see, the absolute worst challenge of men versus food. This is how all you can eat buffet really make their money. This is why Costco's pizza is so delicious. This is why Trump really eats so much fast food. The untold truth of Five Guys, etc. So as you can see, this channel upload videos about fast food, and as you can see how much visual this channel made. And this channel make simple videos with clip that you can find on internet and do a voiceover. This channel, for example, search on internet stock videos and images, create a script and do a voiceover, and then complete into a finished video. So he render the video and he upload it on YouTube. As you can see, the videos are for TV show, or this one are stock images and videos that this person found on internet and do a simple voiceover. So let's go on Social Blade for see the stat of this channel, so how much this channel made in a month. As you can see, this channel made over than 70,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, and they made over than 10 million views in a month. So the RPM of Food Niche is about $4-5 per 1,000 visual, so he probably make $50,000, I mean, for just uploading simple videos. Now go to the third. The third channel is in a tech niche and is called All Things Tech. This channel doesn't make so much visual, but he made money with affiliate links. As you can see, there are several links, and these links are from Amazon affiliate program. So every time a person click on these links and buy something on Amazon, this channel make money. And this type of channels, the channel in a tech niche, are the best channel for Amazon partner program. So he uploads simple videos about tech product, for example Amazon Echo Dot, the best full daylight projector, the best fitness trackers, and he do a simple reviews and insert on the description the link of the product, so people that follow this channel can click on it, and every time a people purchase the product, this channel make money. And I think this channel made with Amazon affiliate alone $5,000 per month, I mean. And now let's see how much money this channel made with views. So we can see this channel made 2,000 subscribers in a month. That are not so much, but okay. And this channel make 600,000 views in a month. So in a tech niche, the RPM is high, so it's like $8 for 1,000 views. So this channel made around $5,000 just on ads. So with affiliate and with ads, this channel made around 10k a month. That is pretty good. This is a medium channel, so isn't so big, and he made a good amount of money. Now go to another channel that is called Top 5 Scary Videos. This is a horror niche, is a top 5 horror niche, and this channel made top 5 videos about horrors. As you can see, 5 teenagers who turned themselves into plastic, top 5 real stories beyond Disney movies, 5 scary demons you should never summon, top 5 strange facts about Queen Elizabeth II, etc. And as you can see, these videos are so viral. 8 millions, 3 millions, 2 millions, 2 millions, 2 millions, 2 millions, 2 millions, 1.6 millions, 1.1 millions, etc. And these are so easy video to make. As you can see, this channel search on Google Image and download the image from Google Images and insert a voiceover. As you can see, there are also stock photos and videos. Now let's see the stats about this channel. This channel made 5,000 subscribers in a month and almost 2 million visual. I think the RPM in this niche is 2 or 3 for 1,000, so probably he make $6,000 a month. That is pretty good. So now let's see the last channel. This channel is in a sport niche and is called Sport Delisi HD. As you can see, this channel upload videos about sport. There is soccer, basket, fight, tennis, hockey, etc. And he upload the best moment, the worst moment in sport. For example, legendary fake plays, most creative and genius plays in sport, epic troll moment in sport, heartbreaking sport moment, etc. And these videos are so viral. This video, greatest world record in sport history, are uploaded 5 months ago and he made 12 million visual. This one 6 months ago and made 70 million visual. And this channel I think is pretty new, was created 5 years ago, but if we go on the most popular videos, we can see the most popular videos are uploaded in 2020. This one was uploaded this year, and as you can see, 10 months ago, 4 months ago, 6 months ago, 10 months ago. So probably he created the channel on 2060, but as you can see, this person uploaded the first video 1 year ago. So in 1 year this channel made 1 million of subscribers, almost 1 million. So go the stats of this channel into Social Blade, and this channel in 1 month make 24,000 subscribers and over than 20 million visual in a month. This is crazy. And the CPM in sport niche is around 4 or 5. I don't know exactly the RPM of this channel, but I think this channel is near to made $100,000 in a month. This is insane. So this channel search on Google, and this channel search on internet videos in sport and make a compilation video and do a voiceover. It's important to do a voiceover with this type of channel if you want monetize your videos. And this video is finished. I hope you like, and if you want more video like that, subscribe on my channel. We will see you next. Bye.